Good morning, welcome to the channel and welcome to Montecatini, to say it right. We arrived yesterday, we had a relaxing day yesterday, so this is the first day really exploring. We're going to go up on the Funicular to Montecatini, I think that's how you say it, Alto. It's a lovely little village, so better go because Funicular's here. So that's the Funicular. Montecatini, that's what you call it. €7, 40 each return. It's certainly a good view from up here. Bit busy on that Funicular though, isn't it? Bit packed. Yeah. Right, so here we are at Montecatini Alto. That's Montecatini down there, that's where we're stopping. I don't know how far it is up on the Funicular, but it takes about 8 minutes to come up. So you should get a good view from up here. So that's the view from the top. And we've got builders' work going off up here as well. So we're going to explore. Up there. Looks a very nice place as well. Even though you've got a lot of building work going off. This leads you into the old town. There's a restaurant going done up down there. Plenty of places to have a light lunch, if you want a little light lunch. Let's walk up some side streets here first and then... This is what you imagine, isn't it? An old Italian hilltop town. Not realise how steep that is down there. Yeah.
When I looked at it, I thought, oh, yeah. Makes me feel aware. Oh, yeah, I'm not saying it's not good.
Kids the same, chase the pigeons.
Yeah,
That's a lovely building in front.
is it?
Oh, it's certainly a lovely place, I must admit, isn't it? We'll walk up the other steep hill. It's all uphill. Church at the top. I'll take it to church. Yeah, it's got bells in it. Can have a look inside. Wow. It's beautiful. The bell's ringing. Some guns on that up here. Yeah, the bells, the bells. The bell tower's ringing. It's be the 12 o'clock bells. There's some memorial or something here, I think. So it's monument dedicated to St. Barbara. Can't you? Certainly like the bells. I think this might be the old city wall up here, behind me there. Yes, it's definitely the old city wall. Or fortification anyway. They're trimming, they're trimming. I'll have a look in there when it's finished trimming. There's pollen everywhere. Certainly fortification of some kind. Can't get away from the buzzing of trimmers, can you? At least there's a bit of a breeze, isn't there? Just cooling it down a bit. Another memorial, 1915-1918. Plenty of little cafes up here. Montecatini Alto. You get a good view. Yeah, it's certainly a good view. It's a bit hazy though, isn't it? To say we've got an extreme heat warning today. Good job it's cloudy. And that bit of breeze coming up here is lovely. And a beautiful view like that. It's not a bad view if you live in one of these houses just here though, is it?
I'd like to get up to that. It's lovely.
Yeah, if you live in one of them houses there, it's a good view to look at. Shady place to park your car. Yes, it's certainly got a bit more hazier, hasn't it? Like I say, them thunderstorms could be on the way soon.
Well, it could do with clearing it.
Yeah.
Right.
So we've got over that side to explore yet. Like I say, around here everything shuts at 1 o'clock and doesn't open till 2:30 again. Ain't Funicular, so we've got to wait till 2:30 for Funicular. We're abandoned up here. What a shame.
Yeah.
I think we'll have to find a little restaurant in that little square.
Yeah.
Can see Funicular running up there. Yeah, so we'll explore that area up there. Yeah. Well, it's a lovely little place, I must admit. Another good view. where the Funicular comes up there. Right, time to go and get a drink, I think. I don't think that hotel's been open for a few years. That's the bit of town we've just been to up there. So it has got a car park.
Yeah. That must be the road down.
Yeah. Yes, it does.
Isn't it?
Electric vehicles as well, charging point. You can see how flat it is though around where we're stopping. Montecatini. No, I don't know what it used to be. It looks a bit dilapidated. Looks like it could have been a prison. No, I think it's like a apartment block or hotel or something. So it looks a bit out of place. Plenty of broken windows anyway. Must have been some big villa at one time as well. All chained off and overgrown. More uphill. Certainly high up now. I think this is the church at the top, I think. So we're at the clock tower now. Unfortunately, looks like the church at the side is derelict. Well, that's got some history to it though. Yeah, it's a shame. There's quite a few derelict buildings actually. Beautiful buildings as well. Steeper than you think, these little roads, aren't they? Steeper than you think, these little roads. Well looked after, that one. Certainly plenty of little alleyways to explore anyway. Oh, we're back to the main square now. But it's busier now. I've gone back up to have a look at the little fort. Now they stop streaming. A quick look in. Just some inner walls really. Sunshine's come out as well, so it's really warm now. So that's really it, 4 walls and a tower. Right, we're going to walk back down. So there is a plaque there, but it's all in Italian.